Today we're going to be looking at one of the most controversial Apple products, which is the polishing cloth from Apple at 19 bucks. It's a very small box, as you can see. If you want to compare it to an iPhone box, for example, it's barely anything. But a cloth at 19 bucks. Let's check it out and see if it's actually gonna work. Ooh. Nice Apple logo. Okay. Do have some paperwork. And here it is in all its glory. The Apple polishing cloth. It feels like a polishing cloth. Let's put it to the test. I have my iPhone over here. Yeah, it's a little bit smudged up, and let's see if it's gonna clean it pretty well or not. It did clean it pretty well, like any other polishing cloth. For example, if I smudge it up again, let's smudge it a lot more and use, for example, this cloth, that it's a lint-free cloth, the same you see in any glasses box, let's say, and you also give it a bit of a rub. It also cleaned it. I mean, it's clean anyway, it's the same. So what's the big deal? Why did I get a 20 bucks Apple polishing cloth, although I do have other polishing cloth laying around at the house? Well, I got it mainly for the MacBook Pro. I just got the MacBook Pro, as you know, and a lot of videos are coming very soon. And the screen in it is very, very fragile. And I wanted to clean the screen with the polishing cloth from the one and only Apple itself. I haven't cleaned my MacBook screen ever since I got it. It has a little bit of smudges, and I was so scared to clean it with anything else. And I've been waiting for this polishing cloth for a long time now, and I finally got it. Let's put it to the test. Whoa. Whoa. I kid you not, with one rub, that smudge over there just disappeared. Okay, let's clean the edges a little. Oh. The thing with the edges, it has a bit of a silicone lip. Okay, as you can see, all the smudges just went away. Let's try again on these dots. If I rub it with my finger, it goes away. There was a bit of a smudge, and then I smudge. Okay. Okay. I see you. Let's try the other polishing cloth. Let's see. It hurts my soul touching the screen like this. Okay. Here's the thing. This one is not cleaning the screen. I don't know if you can see the smudges. This one is not working as well as the Apple one. I think this one is smudging the screen way more than the Apple one. The Apple one just, oh my god, things disappear. I kid you not. Whoa. I'll do the test again over here. As you can see, we have a lot of smudges over here with the Apple cloth. Things just disappear. Well, almost. We need a bit of rubbing, but they just disappear. The same process again. This one, and I'm doing this like the same kind of cleaning process. It hurts my soul testing on my MacBook screen. But look, with the Apple cloth, I have a bit of smudges over here. See the smudges? There's one here for my OCD people. Like, I'm barely putting any pressure, and that's job well done. I'm never using this on the screen ever again, only this one. The Apple polishing cloth. I mean, cleaning the iPhone with this one is no problem. Bit of rub, sides, and it's clean and shiny. no problem. The main reason why I got the polishing cloth from Apple is because I wanted to clean the screen. The screen of the MacBook is very expensive and I don't want to get Apple Care, and I really want to take really good care of it and keep it as clean as possible. And I think buying a polishing cloth at 19 bucks won't be that harmful for my pocket right now as much as a new screen for the MacBook would be in the future. And that's been it for today's episode. I'll be doing a lot of videos about the MacBook Pro and the iPhone 13 very soon, so if you're interested in that, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.